Hello friends, welcome to Bright Tutorials. Today's topic is RRB NTPC exam part 4. Most important and repeated questions and answers. So let's start the session. First question, Shillong is the capital of. So the answer is Meghalaya. Second question, National Inland Navigation Institute is located in Dash. So the answer is Patna. Third question, the basic unit of DNA is dash. So the answer is nucleotide. Next question. Fourth question. Which city is known as coal capital of India? So the answer is Dhanbad. Fifth question. Which of the following is not a connective tissue? So the answer is cardiac muscle. Sixth question. The emperor Kanishka was the follower of which of the following religions? So the answer is Buddhism. Seventh question. The yellow color of mangoes is due to the presence of dash. So the answer is carotene. Next question. Which is the world's largest lake by surface area? So the answer is Caspian Sea. Ninth question. Godavari river originates from the dash. So the answer is Triambakeshwar. Tenth question. Who among the following is known as Deshabandhu? So the answer is Chitranjan Das. 11th question. Simuka was the founder of which dynasty? So the answer is Satavahana. Next question. 12th question. ISRO is planning to launch Shukrayan by which year? So the answer is 2025. 13th question. Which company has got the order to build India's first bullet train? So the answer is Larsen and Toubro. 14th question. Who has been conferred with the 29th Saraswati Samman Award? So the answer is Vasudeva Mohi. 15th question. Who brought the civil services in India? So the answer is Lord Cornwallis. Next question. 16th question. Which Indian journalist has won Freedom of Speech Award 2020? So the answer is Siddharth Varadarajan. 17th question. Mahatma Gandhi started his Satyagraha campaign in India with the dash movement. So the answer is Champaran. 18th one. Who among the following established Vikramashila University? So the answer is Dharmapala. 19th question. Mahatma Gandhi had been the president of INC, Indian National Congress, in dash. So the answer is 1924. Next question. Who awarded the Kesar-e-Hind Medal of British to Mahatma Gandhi for his contribution to ambulance services in South Africa? So the answer is Lord Hardinge. 21st question. Who among the following is considered to be the founder of Madras Chennai. So the answer is Francis Day. 22th question. Who was the first person to call Mahatma Gandhi as father of nation? So the answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question. 23rd question. Who among the following was also known as Devanapiya? So the answer is Ashoka. 24th question. Who among the following Mughal ruler banned music and dancing? So the answer is Aurangzeb. 25th question. Seoul is the capital of which country? So the answer is South Africa. Okay friends, still more competitive exams related information videos will be uploaded in next video. So please watch our channel and subscribe the channel. Press the bell button, do like, share and comment. Thank you.